Welcome back, everyone. My name is Harrison, and this is Harrison's Excel Academy. Today, we're going to go over the very important feature of Paste Special. Let's get right into it. Many of you are probably wondering, what even is Paste Special? Isn't there only one way to paste things? Well, the answer to that question is no. There's multiple ways to paste data and values in Excel. The most popular used types of Paste Special can be found when you right-click in this paste option. So you can see we have paste values, paste formulas, transpose paste, paste formatting, and paste link. So to give an example of what paste values would be is, say we wanted to calculate the bonus that everyone receives. So you can see that I wrote a formula to calculate 7% of everyone's yearly salary. And say I want to copy this bonus column down, I can do Control-C to copy. And then to paste, if I do a normal Control-V, you can see that it's all messed up. It's zeros and ones. And the reason for that is because if we re-click into here, you can see that it's 7% times F7 now, which is this cell. And the reason for that is because we copied the formulas and the contents of the entire contents of the cell and pasted it over here. So if we wanted to just paste the values, then we would do a right click and click this paste values. And so now you can see that all of these numbers are just the number. There's no formula underlying in here. So we took the values from the top of this formula and pasted them over here. And so the opposite of just pasting values is, if you would like to keep the formula in that you're copying, then you can do a copy of all this, and then we can do right click and paste the formulas. And so here we just pasted the formula for that we copied from the previous cell. And so if you want to do this, and then you can change the cell reference to back to this yearly salary one, and then you can drop this down. Or if you wanted to just copy over the formula, then the paste formula is a good option for you. The paste formatting is a little bit of a unique case, and it's a little bit confusing at first. So say I had some numbers down here in different columns, and you can see that they're just the number in the cell. There's nothing else behind them. There's no formulas. There's no other type of formatting. But say I wanted to apply the same formatting that was found in this yearly salary. So I wanted to make them numbers. So what I could do is I could copy this first cell, and then I can select all of these cells, do a right click, and I can do this paste formatting. And so when I do that, you can see that all of these numbers are now a monetary number. So they have the dollar sign. This also works if you say we filled in some of these cells yellow and we wanted to make these ones yellow. You can do the same thing. You can do paste the formatting of the cell. The keyboard shortcut for the paste special menu, you have to have something copied first. So let's copy this, and then you can use the shortcut key Control-Alt-V. And so now it brings up this table, and so you have all the options. You can paste formulas, values, formats, you can paste comments if you have it, you can paste the column widths, you can paste everything except the borders. So you have a lot of different options here. Another one that's used often is the transpose. So say you want to paste just the values from these cells, because these are the ones with the formulas in them, and you want to transpose the data. So transposing the data turns rows into columns and columns into rows. So here we have all the data in column G and in rows 6 to 50 something. And now we're going to have all of our data in row 6 and in columns I to something down the line. Let's see how it looks. So if I click OK, see, it pasted the values. So it just have the numbers here. And all of our data is in row 6 and moves all the way down to column BE. The last unique and important thing that comes along with Paste Special is if you can use Paste Special to multiply, add, subtract, or divide numbers to other numbers. So let's try it out. So let's put 5 in this cell up here, and I'm going to copy it. And now say I want to multiply every single number in the bonus column by 5. So I can highlight everything in the bonus column by using my Control-Shift-Down. And then I can do Control-Alt-V to bring up my paste special. And now I can click the multiply operation, and I will multiply all of my bonus numbers by 5. Let's see how it looks. I click OK. You can see that all of the numbers are now multiplied by 5. And you can see that it's also updated in the formula up at the top. So you can see that my original equation was 7% times C7, and now because I did the paste special, it added a multiply times 5. And you can do this with any of the functions: adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. Thank you all for watching this video on paste special in Excel. If you have requests for future videos, please comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.